Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Lebara SIM to your Lyca SIM. It's really easy and simple. So basically what you need to do is you need to port your mobile number to lycamobile. So you basically need to get first a porting authorization code, which is a pack code, and you get this from your current mobile service provider, and you can use text to switch to retrieve your pack code without going ahead and speaking to your current service provider or your current network provider. And then you can basically order a Lyca mobile SIM with a prepaid plan. And you can order online or, of course, visit a retailer, right? And so if you get it online, you'll get an eSIM. And you can go ahead and complete the online porting form. And you need to provide information about your current mobile service and existing mobile number. You can go to this page right here, and you need to wait for your current mobile number to transfer to your Lyca mobile SIM. This can take up to 3 business days. You can give it 2 to 3 business days, depending on the port and date that you have provided while filling in the form. But just to be on the safe side, give it about 3 business days, and you can choose between, of course, a standard SIM and an eSIM, and your old provider will basically cancel your subscription when you submit a request to keep your old number. And this is what the form looks like, guys. So it's really that easy and simple. If this video provided value to you, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.